Hi, I'm Marika from Hygienius, and I will show you how to use the safe bag. You take the safe bag out of the packaging and tear it off at the edge. Each safe bag contains an absorbent pad that can absorb up to 1000 milliliters. Open the safe bag. Place the entire safe bag over the bedpan and press it down so it touches the bottom. Pull the drawstrings at the bottom to ensure the bag stays securely around the bedpan. Place the absorbent pad in the bedpan. Press it down. The safe bag is ready for use. The absorbent pad absorbs enough for one night urination. Once the liquid is fully absorbed, you can safely and carefully remove the safe bag from the bedpan. If a urine sample needs to be taken, add the absorbent pad after taking the sample. Hold the safe bag at the bottom of the bedpan and pull the safe bag upwards. Pull the drawstrings and tie a knot for extra sealing. Now you can safely dispose of the safe bag through the waste stream without the risk of unpleasant odors or spilling. After use, clean and disinfect the bedpan with a combined CE-approved cleaning and disinfection wipe. Start with the cleanest part of the bedpan and then clean the inside. Allow the bedpan to air dry. Now the bedpan is ready for safe use again. Place a new safe bag around the bedpan so it is ready for the next toilet visit. That's all you need to know about the safe and efficient use of Safe Bag. Do you want to know more about Safe Bag or our other products? Just contact us. Our team is here for you. Thank you for watching and good luck with using the Safe Bag bedpan and commode liner.
Hygienius, humanizing infection prevention.